Welcome back to our farm. We're really happy to have you here today, and today we're going to do a little unboxing and demonstration of this Scotty gas stove. I've really been impressed with the craftsmanship on this one. It does come in a wood burning version if you prefer that. So we'll do a little demonstration and then a little recipe. And we're also giving this model away, this exact one. So if you like what you see, just leave a comment in the comment section and you'll be eligible to win. So the first thing that I noticed about this, which is really good, is that it's really well made. Everything is perfectly cut. It's just so slick. I really like it. So you want to look for these little triangles, and then kind of just everything slots in, so you're not going to lose screws or anything like that. Fits in nicely. This is the burner. There is also a wood burning version of this, if you were so inclined. In there. Okay, and there you have it. It's super easy. So my only issue, with this is that it's quite heavy. So if you were hiking in, it would not be a good option for you. If you were canoeing in, or you were driving to a campsite, then I think this is really perfect. It also comes with a number of accessories, like this handy lid, which assembles in the same way, and the handle is a cooking tongs. They use very standard gas canisters, so these should be available anywhere at your local camp shop. But you can't fly with these, so if you're planning to take this overseas, you might want to look up where you can buy a gas canister when you want. So this is a butane cylinder, and the kit comes with this really great connector. Again, beautifully crafted, perfectly made. Screw the butane gas cylinder on here. So when you're ready to cook, just turn the gas on. You'll hear it hissing, and then there's a little slot where you hold the lighter up, and it lights. So this pancake mix, there's a link in the description for the recipe, which you're welcome to use. It's a simpler recipe just because you want to be able to mix it with water while you're camping. There we go. Now, the piece de resistance is some bacon, because everything is better with bacon. And you just put it in a little bacon smoothie. And then you gotta put the maple syrup on. Enjoy.